Now, do you remember about continent? क्या आपको शेप्स याद है कॉन्टिनेंट के? Are you sure about it? Are you sure, Aras? Do you remember each and every continent shape? Do you learn about the name of 5 questions? Remember? Okay, now. Take out your GK worksheets. Everyone, take out your GK worksheets. Yes. Now open this one page number. Open this one page. Everyone, open this one page. Right now. Please open this one page and kindly do it in front of me. Yeah. In the box you are seeing alphabets. So you have to find the continent and ocean names and color it. Do it right now in front of me. Everyone do it right now in front of me. After that, I will give you surprise. I want to watch you. Kindly do it. Please do it in front of me. Better you have to color it the name of each continent with different color. For example, if you will find the name of Jafar, wait. If you find the name of South America, so you have to use the color. When you are going to find the next one continent, so you have to use different color. Okay, so in this way your presentation will be good. Okay, and specifically I can easily read the name of each continent. Got it? Kindly use colors. जी जाफर, speak.
टीचर हमें कॉन्टिनेंट को कलर करना है, यहाँ पे टीचर लाइन मारनी है.
Okay, let me tell. I am doing number 1, so other remaining parts you have to do by yourself. Wait, I am finding my color. Okay. I don't have color right now, but you have, I know. So now I am using this marker. Look at your screen. I am telling you how to do. Look, I am finding South America, so I am doing coloring like this.
Okay, teacher.
Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Now do it in front of me. I am watching. बहुत खूबसूरत सा काम कीजिएगा. मेरे को प्यारे प्यारे काम पसंद है. नीट एंड क्लीन. बहुत अच्छे से काम करिएगा. Yes, Kissa, wait. Look at your screen, everyone. I have done at my hands. Now you have to do by yourself. I am watching you. Wait.
टीचर.
Yes, Kissa. जी.
टीचर यहाँ पे साउथ अमेरिका लिखा है तो टीचर यहाँ पे एन भी है तो टीचर एन को भी करना है।
नहीं नहीं, एन को नहीं करना, मिस्टेकनली आई डिड, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट डू साउथ अमेरिका, डोंट अमेरिकन, ओके। किस्सा फातिमा, स्पीक। बेटा, या गुड जॉब, कंटिन्यू। Nurul Hadi, do you want to say something? Speak, Nurul Hadi.
टीचर मैंने
Correct,
पैसिफिक ढूंढ लिया, पैसिफिक ढूंढ लिया।
So color it. Use different colors, okay? 7 continents and 5 oceans is equal to 12. So you have 12 colors. You can use different color for each name. Do it fast. I am watching you. Yeah, good job, Jafar. Good. Don't color it and just South America. Got it? Can I do it by my hands? मैं भी करूँगी काम. Sabika, do you want to say something? Okay. Speak. Zara, are you doing?
Yes. मेरी लाइट चली गई थी।
जी।
मैं स्लाइड चली गई थी तो फिर ना नेट चला गया था, तो आप बता दें आपने पहले क्या पढ़ाया था।
बेटा वो आप फिक्र मत करो, उससे पहले हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया, हम अभी सिर्फ वर्कशीट कर रहे हैं, फिर आफ्टर वर्कशीट आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल सरप्राइज, ओके। Okay, so do your work. I am watching you. Very good, Zara. Okay, I am also doing because I am getting bored now. You are doing your work, so I am also doing my work. I am also finding because okay, Jafar, speak. Yes, Jafar.
Teacher, I find Australia.
Very good. So continue. Keep continue, beta.
Okay.
Keep continue. Okay, good, Kamza. Kindly do it fast because I am desperate to give you surprise. Okay, good job, Kissa. Do it fast. Yes, good job, Zara.
Teacher?
Ji.
Yeah, I cannot find Africa.
So, beta, you have to find it.
Africa.
I find it. Jafar, I found it. मुझे नजर आ गया Africa. Now I am coloring. Jafar, I am coloring. So you also find it, beta. Jafar, I am coloring right now.
Okay.
मुझे तो मिल गया Jafar. Now you have to find it by yourself. Mariam, turn on your cam. Mariam, I am deducting your marks. You got 3 out of 3. Now I am giving you 2 marks. Mariam, I am giving you 2 marks, huh? Turn on your camera. 2 worksheet right now, which everyone are doing right now. Please kindly.
Yeah, I also find.
Okay, good job, Jafar. But I won. पहले मैं जीती हूँ, Jafar.
Oh no.
Okay, wait, Raya and Mariam. Please speak, Mariam.
Miss, my hand is so weird. Okay.
Why?
I found. I do not understand one of them. This one is hard. I don't understand if it's
Mariam, what
it's a
happened with you?
weird long shape.
Okay. So beta, you have to do right now
It's
in front of.
long. The letter is long, but it's mixed up.
No, you have to find it, Mariam, and do it right now. In
It's
front of
mixed
me.
up with words.
You are very, very lazy, Mariam. So you have to do in front of me.
I am finding it. I'm trying to make words.
I will give you virtual punishment, Mariam. Do you want
No.
punishment? So kindly do it in front of me and don't turn off your camera, Mariam. Mariam, seriously, अगर अब आपने कैमरा टर्न ऑफ किया ना, I will deduct your marks.
Why?
You know ना?
छोटा डिवाइस है हाथ में, मुझे अपना काम करने के लिए उसको ऐसे रखना पड़ता है फिर डिवाइस।
अच्छा, so you have to
मुश्किल है
properly ना. I know you are very responsible and sharp girl. You can manage it all. So kindly do it. Look at the Zara, how she is doing her work. Look at Sabika. So you can manage, Mariam. Sit on the floor and do it.
Okay.
Okay, don't turn off your camera, Mariam.
Why?
Because I am telling you.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, baby. Okay, Aras, good job. No. No, Mariam. Inaya, what do you want to ask? Speak, Inaya.
मिस आपने मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, तो मिस हम लोग कौन सा कर रहे हैं, मैथ या जीके?
Beta, now you have your GK block, so we are doing worksheet of GK. Let me share you the picture which we are doing right now. Look at your
मिस
Beta,
तो हमें
we are doing the same worksheet.
ओके मिस, लेकिन
जी
मिस इसमें आप हमें सिर्फ पूरे एशिया अफ्रीका में से सब ढूंढना है।
Beta, you have to find the continent name as well as oceans. Okay. Now do it in front of me.
ओके मिस।
Jafar, say beta. कहें.
टीचर, आई फाइंड एशिया।
Okay, very good. Do beta find all, then you have to say, teacher, I have done it. Let's see who will be the first. Yes, Aras, wait. Speak.
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, good job. Good job, Aras. Good job. Very, very well done. Everyone, please find fast. I have a small surprise for you. Jafar, I found Europe. Nurul Hadi, are you doing? Inaya, I would like to appreciate you, beta. You are managing your camera very, very wisely. Good job. Now do it by yourself. Nurul Hadi, kindly speak, beta. You are worried. You are not looking good. So kindly tell me what happened with you. Nurul Hadi, speak, beta.
Teacher, nothing.
Nothing. Are you doing your working? Beta, are you doing your working?
Yes, teacher.
Yes or no? Okay, good.
Yes.
Do it. I am watching. Yes, Kisa, speak.
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, good job.
Let's see.
Show me. Oh, very nice, very nice. Now, beta, what about the down one working? आपको नीचे शेप को recognize करना है और साथ साथ आपने oceans के name भी लिखना है. Do it right now. And kindly revise the continent shape because you know na, I will give you surprise very soon.
Miss, can we write with a blue color?
It's up to you. You can use your pencil, you can use any color. It's up to you. There is no restrictions. Dua, turn on your camera, beta. We are doing this one worksheet, so kindly do it. And this is your last worksheet of GK. Almost we have completed our syllabus of zero term. Now we will do revision as well as class test. Got it? Beta, after 5, you have only 8 minutes remain for completing this one worksheet. After that, I will give you surprise. Zara, do you want to say something? You are raising your hand. Speak, Zara.
Miss, I can't find North America.
You didn't find North America. Zara. I found it right now. Do you want that I expose? आपको show करूँ? Yeah, you will do it by yourself. I found it. The teacher is very sharp in puzzle. Wait, Jafar. I will give you hint. You can find on second last line. Second last line. Yes, Jafar.
You tell me please America.
North America.
North America.
North America. I told you, no, on second last line. You can find. Now it's up to you. Second last line.
Second last line.
Yes.
North America.
Yes, and I wait. Speak, Anaya. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
I can't find North America.
I told you, no, second last line.
Miss, second last line में मिल ही नहीं रहा कहीं.
Now it's up to you. Critically thinking. Think about it critically. Yes, Mariam.
मैं sorry.
Speak, Mariam. Speak, beta.
Miss, Miss,
Yes.
I found it. It's like written backwards.
Yes, yes, correct, Mariam. Correct.
Simple, very simple.
Very, very simple. Yes, Sabika. Speak.
Miss, I have done.
Very good. What about the downwards worksheet? आपने नीचे वाला कर लिया?
बोलो वो तो ऑफ कर दिए तो इसको नहीं
Miss,
Yes, Zara. Speak. Peter, this is a game. You can do it by yourself and enjoy it. Zara,
ओशंस के करना है
questions भी फाइन करो बेटा. यहीं पर है सारे. जैसे ही आप ये नेम फौरन नजर आ जाता है. ये देखिए मुझे नजर आ रहा है. ओशंस नेम तक मुझे नजर आ रहा है. बट आई विल नॉट. मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. Do it by yourself. Think critically. It is a game, beta. Yes, Jafar. What happened? Sabika, is there any problem, Sabika? No. Okay. Nurul Hadi, what happened? Wait. Now speak.
मुझे कॉन्टिनेंट तो सारा मिल गया, सिर्फ ओशंस नहीं मिले. ओशन में से सिर्फ एक मिला है.
Which one? Which one you have found?
Pacific.
Pacific. Okay. एक क्वेश्चन तो मुझे नजर आ रहा है. लेकिन I am not give you hint. Find it by yourself. Found it by yourself. I will not give you hint at all. Yes, Mariam.
Miss, I did the whole worksheet.
Oh, good job, Mariam. Did you do it by yourself or taking help from others?
No, I did it by myself.
Honestly?
Yes, honestly.
Okay. Good job, Mariam. Kissa. Kissa, I'm finding your name. Okay, speak, beta.
Miss, see, I do my whole worksheet.
Okay, good job, beta. Good job. Kanza, do you want to say something? Have you done your work, Kanza? Speak, Kanza.
Miss, I only want two. I only want one continent and one ocean.
Remain, beta. One continent and one ocean. Okay, so this is your task. Find it.
Yes.
This is your task. Use your mind. Critically thinking, everyone.
No. Use your mind. This is your task.
I won't give you hint. Okay, I'm also founding, but I won't show you.
सब बच्चे सुनेंगे. इंडियन तो मिल गया, एशिया नहीं मिल रहा ना. एशिया और एंटार्क्टिका मिल गया. एशिया मिल गया.
Kanza, by the way, I found Asia. But I won't show you. Do it by yourself. I hide my working. Kanza, I also found Indian. ओके मैं आपको पोजीशन बता रही हूँ कि आप किस किस पोजीशन से ढूंढ सकते हो। इंडिया की देखिए, कंजा लुक एट योर स्क्रीन, लुक एट द पोजीशन ऑफ इंडियन ओशन। आप इस तरह भी जा सकते हैं, क्रॉस भी, पैरेलल भी, हर तरह से, डाउन भी। बेटा now beta I am conclude, now I am going to end. Yeah, what are you showing? Okay, Kanza, have you done all? Speak.
Miss, I have done.
Okay, good job. Kisa, you already done it now. Daniel, speak. Daniel, speak.
मेरा भी हो गया.
Okay, good job. Now I'm not give you any more time for completing this one worksheet. So remaining part you can do it by yourself. Got it, everyone? Okay. अब जाफर speak.
टीचर आपने जिस पे आटे किए है ना उस पे अंटार्कटिका भी है.
Doesn't matter. आपको जस्ट फाइंड होना चाहिए, आपको मिल गया है ना तो डजंट मैटर. और गुड जॉब, आपने अंटार्कटिका भी फाइंड कर लिया और आर्टिक भी फाइंड कर लिया. नॉट अ बिग डील जाफर. ओके,
यस.
गुड.
ये डोंट.
ओके मेरे बच्चों, अब आपका सरप्राइज मैं देने जा रही हूँ, सही है. अब आपका सरप्राइज जो है वो मैं आपको 2 मिनट्स के बाद दूंगी, और इन 2 मिनट्स के लिए मैं आपको टाइम दे रही हूँ. नाउ यू हैव टू रिवाइज द शेप ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू 2 मिनट्स. यू हैव टू रिजॉइन मी फॉर योर सरप्राइज. गिव मी थम्स अप इफ यू अंडरस्टूड. Okay, can you tell me, is there any problem to rejoin me again and again? क्या आप लोगों को कोई मसला होता है rejoin करने में? Okay, due to some purpose I told you to rejoin me again. Okay, you are giving me a lot of thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, remaining part you can do it by yourself at home, and kindly we almost did all the worksheet from worksheet pile. So kindly the last time make proper PDF of your all working and submit me please. Through University, kindly submit me proper file of your all worksheet which you did it, and send me on University so I can check it easily and give you remarks. Got it? Okay बच्चों, मैं now I am going to conclude this worksheet session, and after Aras, alone na, अकेले. What about your classmates? Okay मेरे बच्चों, for the surprise rejoin me. Okay.